My name is Jack Parr, and I am a graduate of the prestigious Florida State University's College of Information, where I specialize in system and services. I believe in earning respect through accomplished tasks, dedication to the job, and of course, teamwork. I keep that respect by overcoming stressful situations, leading those around me, and of course listening to fellow peers. I have the ability to ask for help and believe that improvement is always an option. Today, I'm going to show you a couple different techniques on organizing your inbox in MacMail. Of course, you'll just need a couple of different things. The software itself, either on Tiger or Leopard, and of course some information from your ISP. User account ID, email address, password, incoming and outgoing server names, and your server type. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Welcome back to my MacMail tutorial. So let's go down to the dock and look for mail. Let's go ahead and open mail. So let's go ahead and set up an account first of all. Let's go to File, Add Account. For this account in general, we'll go ahead and set up a POP account. Account description, Jack's mail, and then let's get a name for the account. Let's be even more creative. Jack's. Let's go ahead and enter the email address correctly. Go ahead and hit continue. You need the incoming mail server as well. Username, of course. Go ahead and enter your password. Your outgoing mail server name as well. SMTP at Comcast. We're going to use authentication. If it's not checked, go ahead and check it. Enter your username and your password. And let's go ahead and hit continue. Make sure everything is correct. And if you need to create another account, you can go ahead, but for this purposes of the tutorial, I think we're pretty much done. So let's go ahead and click done. Click on get mail. Let's go ahead and get started by filtering some of this out. Let's go over to mail, mailbox. Click on mailbox at the top pane. Go down to new mailbox. Let's go ahead and name it something Jack's mail. Alright. Now this hasn't actually filtered anything just as yet, so we're going to go ahead and actually set that up through preferences. Let's go over to mail, preferences, and rules. Let's add a new rule. Go ahead and just name it Jack's mail. Any description will do. Specify Jack. Now if you needed to add some more, you can go ahead by pressing the circle and the plus. For now, we're just going to leave that there. Now in terms of actions this actually will perform, we'd like it to move the message to a mailbox, and we'll do that with Jack's mail. Specify that and press OK. It's going to ask us if we'd like to go ahead and apply to the messages in any open mailboxes. Of course, you're going to press yes, to which it has already done. Let's go ahead and close out of preferences. Now if we go over to our left hand pane, you can see that under Jack's mail folder, once we click on it, all the mail that we have received from this person, i.e. me, has actually appeared here. Now the second way to filter your inbox would be using smart mailboxes. The difference between the two being that a smart mailbox will actually never physically remove your mail from your inbox. So let's go ahead and set one of those up. Once again, we'll go to the top, mailbox, down to smart mailbox. Once again, we'll just need to name it something conventional. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use Dell as an example. If you are going to type it in, make sure you get it correct, as it has on mail. So let's go ahead and press OK. If we go over to the left-hand pane, it has already set up a mailbox for us, or a mail folder, excuse me. And the only difference being this one is on the purple side with a little sprocket on top. It has already been populated with email. Now if we go over to your inbox once again, you will see that anything from Dell is still on your inbox and it hasn't actually been removed. Now another interesting feature for mail is of course the search on mail, and your ability to turn this search into an actual smart mailbox as well. That's very simple. Let's go over to the top right corner and let's go ahead and look for something in your inbox. Let's say CompUSA. Go over to Save on the top right corner. All the condition information has already been set up for you, including anything from trash and sent. Press OK. And as you can see, you have set up a new box. So once again, we have been able to set up a typical account on your MacMail interface, further filter your inbox by two different methods, one being a mailbox and by the second method of a smart mailbox. So hopefully you've enjoyed my tutorial today, and hopefully you'll get your inbox in working order. Thank you.